Now that you are aware that you can utilize and navigate your energy towards more in alignment into what you are meant to be, let's turn into page 8 to the third part of Akashic record that you need to know, which is the Akashic records contains all the information, the data beyond time and space, including your soul's experience throughout many lifetimes and ready to guide your journey in this lifetime. You can use these Akashic records for support your healing journey, for breaking the negative karma and turn it into more good karma that you produce through your conscious actions, because karma is basically action, cause and effect. It's basically natural. The meaning you give with it is because you associate it with something that you've experienced. So when you produce more good karma, you are harvesting or investing a good thing for your future. Karma itself is actually back at what you vibrate outward. Mostly when we hear about Akashic records, we tend to see that, oh, it's like such a book or library that exists somewhere out there. The truth is you are connected with it. The library that you imagine outside you is also exists inside you, because at our core we're all connected, and all the books, all the information from that library already encoded in your DNA. Just like in page 8, you can see that we are the components of our DNA, but most of people don't fully activate their DNA because they were programmed by 3D or human perspective, like you should have shame and guilt, you should have fear, that limits our true potential as human. So basically, accessing Akashic record doesn't mean to be a superhuman. It's not about being a superhuman. It's about a realization that being human is super. And yes, indeed, our journey in this lifetime as human here is to learn how to be human with all the meta-human. At meta level, we realize that it's our sensory perception with specific code or program that makes us see that as that. Like, we've been trained to believe that heaven only exists after we die. But now that you are aware that you are beyond this human program, you realize that, oh, heaven is now in here. It's state of consciousness because you've experienced it yourself. You're no longer poisoned in specific boxes because of labels, because of certain cultures, because of status quo, because of everything. You embody your authenticity fully, and you question everything that is misaligned with what you really are, with what your core. Trust your core fully, because your core will guide you beyond what you think you know. It's intuition. Your intuition, it can be in form of feelings, emotion, thoughts, words, experience, vibration. It can also be through your lower frequency. Whether you feel anxiety or a specific thing, it's all a form of intuition that knock you, hey, it's time to back to alignment. It's time to navigate you back to your home, to your alignment. Now give thanks to your higher self for always guiding you. Recognize everything that is happening in your inner universe first, because everything is communicating with you. Once you realize that your junk is the codes or system that makes you you, you realize that the codes is always programmable. Just like computer, the systems always run by the runner, which is the program, the application, the software, and the hardware. Akashic records is for the ones that know and ready. You also work with your intuition. Did it match with my intuition? What I feel while I'm learning about this, is this something that help me align with my vibration, with what I'm meant to be? Is this supporting me? It's okay to be curious about everything, because the truth itself is open and okay to be questioned, because it know its core, it know it comes from the core. And as I said before, that knowing is not enough unless you ready to take action towards it. So after welcoming this information, implement this on your daily basis with love and peaceful heart. The second thing you need to realize about the data of Akashic Record is that all of the information that you need actually already lies within yourself. What I've shared here is actually to activate what you already know, because we are interconnected at our core. Now I'm guiding you, but then you can practice to access it yourself later. The more you express yourself, the more trial and error you experience, the more you enrich your experience, the more you enrich the data, and you activate your DNA effortlessly. Enjoyable. Is it resonate with you or not? Or maybe you have a better way to access yours, and it's okay. Be welcome, be open for every possibility that is most resonate with you. Akashic Records is universal consciousness that is actually nothing and everything at the same time. So you realize that you exist here, but you never exist in somewhere else. At the same time, you exist in somewhere else, but you never exist in here. But at the same time, we can exist all together at once. Universe is inexplicable because it's infinite and it's beyond words, it's beyond concept, it's beyond ideas, it's beyond our human comprehension. Sometimes our word can have power to limit us, but at the same time our words have power to bring us back home. In this paradox universe, we are fractals, we are magic, we are all and nothing at the same time. Let's move in page 10. You can see the picture above and the picture below. The picture above represent what we see in human eye level, what we think we are. This is human, is we have mind, we have body, we have soul. But do we really exploring and express this human experience to the most, or we just know based on what we've learned from society, from this human dimension? Oh, I see that tree is green. Oh, I see that bird is flying. But wait, do we really see the bird, the tree, the reality as it is, or what we see is the information that has programmed within us and we project it outside of ourselves? Talking about projection is connected with the picture below, which is the meta-human. In meta-human, every other reality is actually a projection of our inner reality. So once you recognize this, you can see a bird flying and interpret it your own comprehension from your own inner universe, such as, oh, that's divine is painting, is moving, circulating energy in form of bird. That is a great symphony, is moving and sharing love through its movement. Oh, that tree is actually a web of Mother Earth that is transmuting energy. In page 11, you are allowed to express whatever that you see and what you've learned from this experience, including what you just realized about. Basically, we are all the same. It's just our human memory, how we train our mind, body, soul, and all of these divine tools that makes us experiencing different realities. Yes, you are divine computer that were created as a byproduct of evolution. So when we create gadget or AI as the replica of human, is also a form of another evolution of universal consciousness. We realize that our core is the most advanced technology, and human is also advanced technology if you master and living consciously. what we think we are alive is actually the phantom effect of the moving matter that built by the structure of thoughts. When we understand our compositions as meta-human, the better we recognize what we really are. And last but not least, expanding your consciousness or expanding your mind is upgrading your divine technology. Our current state of consciousness is actually the composition of vibration that we absorb from universal consciousness, but as we circulate it out and how we maintain our energy become our current state of consciousness. And if you're continuously updating your application on your gadget, then please do so to your human avatar, because you need to keep upgrading your consciousness, not because you have to or you must to. Instead, you realize that the upgradation will help your ascension journey in this human experience. So that's all for this first class on Access Akashic Records. Hope you realize and remember lots of information that your DNA already know. And as usual, in all of my courses, I always give inner work for you to internalize yourself individually and do your inner work needed so that you can get to know about thyself even deeper and even more. It's more flexible and open. You can readjust with your personal questions. What I give is more in general, but if you have a specific question or personalized question, you can add to your inner workbook, because it's the work from you and for you, so it's actually back at you. Remember that it's your own responsibility. Enjoy your human experience as much as I enjoy guiding and walk you home through this course. See you again in second section. We'll dive deeper into recognize your divine instruments. So prepare yourself by do the inner work needed through trial and error, experience, exploration, expression with lots of love, joy, peace, and bliss from inside. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. I'm Cindy Acho, your guide on Access Akashic Records. See you again in next section.